In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then select those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean at the top. Now click on Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, select Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!